Easy to change, great-looking text is at the core of Craft's user experience, making it easy to create and share beautiful documents. In this video, we'll discuss formatting text using the Page Style tab, using the / command, and Markdown Shortcuts and keyboard shortcuts. The Page Style tab. Using the Page Style tab in the right-hand sidebar allows you to use your block as a title or as content. This works whether you're selecting one block or multiple blocks. To access the Style tab on iPhone or iPad, tap the three-dot icon and select Page Style. You can quickly group any blocks into a page or a card from here too. This allows you to easily reorganize a document structure with a couple of clicks. Beneath that, you can change your text to bold, italic, strike-through, or into a code block. This works on highlighted text or to set formatting for what you are about to type. Make task lists, toggle drop-down, simple bullet lists, or numbers. Each can be indented to provide levels of content, and you can even mix and match the list styles. Adding decorations like focus or block sections allows you to quickly bring people's attention to an important section of text. The decoration and text colors can be controlled below, as well as options for font styling. The / command. Hitting the / key immediately brings up the command menu. From here, you can either scroll through a wealth of options for anything from formatting text to creating tables. The best way to use the command menu is to just type for what you need. If you want a bullet list, simply hit / and type B, U, and hit Enter. Want the text block to be read and in serif font? /RE and then /SERI. The true power of the / command menu is that you don't need to type the exact name of the block you're looking for. If you want to change the font, simply type font and choose from the options. Markdown Shortcuts. Craft supports the full suite of Markdown formatting options. For full block commands, you can use a 1, 2, 3, or 4 hashtags to choose title formatting. You can also create inline commands by wrapping words between the star icons, for italic, for example. A full list of the Markdown style shortcuts can be found in the link in the description. Keyboard shortcuts. Craft also supports over 75 keyboard shortcuts. Rather than instantly memorizing all of them, you can hover over the buttons you want to use to get hints. Or remember the shortcut command, Option, open angled bracket, to get a list of the shortcuts. Our favorite shortcuts are Command-Shift-B to add a highlight, Command + for increasing text size, or Command - to decrease text size. You can hit Tab to indent a text block and Shift-Tab to decrease the indent. A full list of keyboard shortcuts can be found in the link in the description too. Take your docs to the next level. Check out our other how-to videos on YouTube to make the most of Craft.